Are you looking for the best 50 amp generator? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose 50 amp generators with different prices, benefits and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right 50 amp generator. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Westinghouse Wgen9500DF. All of their generators attract positive feedback from buyers in the US. Wgen9500DF is an excellent 50 amp portable generator, offering enough power to run the most critical appliances in your household. Plenty of people have used it during the hurricanes Irma and Dorian, reporting excellent results. If you find out that you're going to run out of propane soon but want to keep the generator running, you simply need to push the button on the control panel to make the generator switch to gas. You can easily control this 50 amp generator with the remote key fob. You can turn this generator on and off while standing several feet away from it. That can be especially convenient during really bad weather, when probably the last thing to do is to leave the comforts of your home to deal with your generator. The generator is easy to set up and run. The control panel has got a very user-friendly interface and does not require any professional expertise. Number 2. A-iPower SUA12000E. The product A-iPower SUA12000E is a living proof that a solid 50 amp generator doesn't have to cost a fortune. Plenty of people who have used it during the hurricanes and other storms found it to work perfectly fine as a household backup supply. The generator has got a 59cc 4-stroke engine that produces 12,000 starting watts and 9,500 running watts of total power output. This is enough power to handle all crucial home appliances, including an air conditioner, freezer, and many others. It's also a reliable choice for construction jobs. Even the most energy-hungry tools like 220V MIG welders will run with it. The generator's 7.0-gallon fuel tank is entirely made of steel. This gives it additional protection from bad weather. However, we still recommend getting a quality shelter for the generator to protect it from rain or snow. At 50% load, you would get around 8 hours of continuous operation. While it may not be the most fuel-efficient generator in the market, it still performs reasonably well on this matter, making it one of the best 10,000-watt generators out there. Number 3. Duromax XP12000E. The product Duromax XP12000EH, aka the Beast, is one of the top-performing ultra-duty hybrid generators. Dual-fuel generators generally come highly recommended over the conventional gens, since they offer you more freedom and flexibility. In case you run out of one source of fuel, you can easily switch to another type. Running a generator on propane is also cheaper than on gasoline. The XP12000EH is among the most powerful portable generators in the market. Running it on gasoline will give you 12,000 starting watts and 9,500 running watts. That's more than enough to handle major electric appliances. XP12000EH also performs reasonably well on propane, with its 11,400 surge watts and 9,025 running watts. The total runtime for both fuels combined oscillates around 15 hours at half load. It can run for more than 7 hours on propane and 8 hours on a single gasoline tank. At 50% load. Our only complaint about this generator is that it's really heavy, just like many others of this size, and difficult to move around. Number 4. Generac GP15000E. Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. You're about to encounter the real portable powerhouse, the Generac GP15000E. This is one of the most powerful generators you can find in the market. If you are looking for a generator to power everything in your household, that is the one for you. Generac is a huge company with a long market presence. It is currently one of the largest suppliers of portable and standby generators in the US. You can find their generators pretty much everywhere: construction sites, outdoor events, or even in your neighbor's garage. That's good news, since replacement parts are easy to find, and you're never far away from the nearest Generac dealer who can fix things for you if something breaks down in the generator, or simply carry the regular maintenance. The unit comes equipped with an original Generac 992cc OV engine. The motor has got a built-in automatic low oil level shutdown mechanism that prevents damage to the engine. The fuel tank has got a massive capacity of 16 gallons. Depending on your current load, It could last for more than 10 hours on one refueling. The generator has got multiple outlets suitable for various kinds of appliances. Some of these include a 120-volt 30-amp twist lock and a 120-240 50-amp socket. Number 5. Champion 100,111. Champion 100,111 and 15,000/12,000 watt portable generator is powered by a 717cc V-twin Champion engine, providing 12,000 running watts and 15,000 starting watts. The engine features an electric start with an easily accessible battery, allowing the user to recharge the battery when the unit is stored and to replace it when needed. The physical dimensions of the unit are LXWXH 33.9 x 31.1 x 33.1 inches, 86.1 x 79.0 x 84.1 centimeters, and it weighs 330 pounds. 150 kilograms, dry. Due to its size and weight, the unit features a pair of 12-inch 30 centimeters transport wheels and a lifting hook. Thanks to the foldable handles, the unit can be transported via wheels to shorter distances by a single adult. Fuel tank capacity is 10.9 gallons, 41.3 liters, while oil capacity is 1.4 qt. Engine comes with an automatic low oil shutdown system. Maximum runtime on a 50% load with a full tank is 9 hours, while noise levels are at 78 decibels.
So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comment below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.